Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths Online class. By today's class, we are going to finish the chapter Perimeter and Area. So, in the previous class, we solved some questions from the exercise 11.4. Now, today also, we can solve some more questions from this exercise. By that, our chapter can be completed. Now, the rest questions which I have not worked out, that can be worked out by yourself, and if you have any doubt in these questions, you can ask me in the next live session. So we can move on to today's class. The first question: a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. So this is somewhat same question we solved in yesterday. That is, throughout the garden a path is running out of that garden. The same type question here. Here a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. That means the picture, the length and breadth of the picture painted on a cardboard is given. Now there is a margin 1.5 centimeter along it each of its sides. We have to find the total area of the margin. For that, first we will find the whole area, then the area of that picture, then we can subtract. So the sides are given, so we can find out. Length what is given 8 centimeter, breadth given 5 centimeter. So area of the cardboard will be what? L into B, that is 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter, 40 centimeter square. Now width of the margin is given as 1.5 centimeter. So the length of the inner cardboard, that means this full cardboard is having a length of 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now if you subtract the width of this margin, we have to get this. Only here the picture is painted. So we have to, if you are finding the area of this where the picture is painted and the area of the whole cardboard, and if you subtract, we'll get the area of the margin. So this where the picture is drawn, that area, for that we need the length and breadth. So for that we are subtracting the margin. So 8 centimeter minus 1.5 2 times, isn't it? If you are considering this picture, here this 1.5 centimeter and this by 1.5 centimeter should be subtracted. This long, this much only 8, this full is 8 centimeter. So we have to cancel this distance. This width is how much? 1.5 centimeter, and this width is also 1.5 centimeter. That we have to subtract from that. That is why 8 centimeter minus 1.5 into 2 means 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 centimeter. 8 centimeter minus 3 centimeter is 5 centimeter. So the picture where the picture painted, the length is what? 5 centimeter. Similar way we are finding the breadth also. The breadth is given as 5 centimeter. From this we have to subtract the margin, width of the margin 2 times. That is 5 centimeter minus again 1.5 into 2 means 3 itself. So 5 minus 3, 2 centimeter. So that breadth we got 2 centimeter. Now area of the inner rectangle where the picture is painted, that area is equal to L into B, that is 5 into 2, 10. Now the whole cardboard, the area is 40 centimeter square, and the area taken for drawing the picture is only how much? 10 centimeter square. So the rest area, when we subtract it, that will be the area of the margin, that is 40 centimeter square minus 10 centimeter square, you will get 30 centimeter square. That is the area of the margin. Next question. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut a right angles through the center of a rectangular arc of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the path excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. So what are two crossroads are there? Each width of the crossroad is given 10 meter. That means two crossroad means the roads are crossing out. So this is one road and this is other road. Now it is going through the center of a rectangular park. So it is, this shape is a park, and that park's breadth and length are given 700 meter and 300 meter. So this is 700 meter and the breadth is 300 meter. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the path excluding the crossroads. That means we have to find the area of these roads. Then we have to find the area of this park excluding crossroads. That means without this roads, what is the area of this park? So with the given data, how can we find it? For that, here the length and breadth of the park is given. So first we will find the area of the park including this roads. So what is it? Length of the road parallel to the length of the park. So 700 meter. Width of the road is 10 meter. That means if you are considering this road or this road, first consider this road. What is the length? This is the length of the road and width is given as 10 meter. So this much distance is 10. Now what is this much distance? That is 700 meter because the length of the park. Now consider this road. This length is given as 300 meter and width is same 10 meter. So area of the road will be L into B, 700 into 10, 7000 meter square. Now two roads are there, this road and this road. So the area of this road is 7000 meter square and area of this road is 3000 meter square. You know how you got it. For considering that roads as a rectangle, you got the length and breadth and we found the area of the roads now. Now area of both roads means what? 7000 plus 3000 minus area of the common portion. That means here this area and this area have a common portion here. This portion is common in both the roads. Now if we consider this, what is this length? 10. What is this length? 10, 10, 10, isn't it? That means width of the road is given as 10. So you will get a square here with sides 10. So what is the area of that portion? 10 into 10. Area of a square is side into side. We are getting the side 10. So 10 into 10, 100 meter square. So that common part you have to subtract because in both the roads that common part is there. So 700 plus 3000 you are getting 10,000 minus 100 you are getting 9,900. Understood why we are subtracting this? Because when you are considering this road and this road, this portion is coming in both the roads. It is common, so that we have to subtract. For that, considering this area means this is a square because you know the width of the crossroads is 10 meter. So this side will be 10, here also 10, here also 10, here also 10. So we are getting a square there. So the area of that square means side into side. What is the length of the side? 10. So 10 into 10, 100. 100 is the common here. So that 100 you have to subtract from the total two areas. 7000 plus 3000 you are getting 10,000. So 10,000 minus 100 you are getting 9,900 meters square. This is what? The area of the roads. That is one question asked in the question, isn't it? Area of the roads, this is in meter square. Now converting to hectare, you know 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectare. So when you are converting 0.99 hectare. Now the other question is what? Area of the park. Area of the park excluding the path. That means area of the park without this area of the path. Now, so what is the area of the park? It is a rectangle. Length and breadth we know. What is length? 700 and breadth is 300. So 700 into 300. This is 2,10,000 meters square. This is what? The area of the park. Now from this area of the park we have to subtract the area of path. But that path is not asked. What is area of the path? Path is what? 9,900 meters square. Now subtracting 2,10,000 meters square minus 9,900 meters square is equal to 2,100 meters square. This is in meter square. Now again converting to hectare, 20.01. So there are two questions in the here given. What are they? First you have to find the area of this paths going through this park, and you have to find the area of the park without that path. So in order to find the area of the park, first we found the area of the park, then we subtracted the area of the path from it. Next question. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path, the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So a path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 centimeters. So this is a square garden and this whole is the square garden and its side is 30 meter. Inside this square garden, a path 1 meter is built. Now what is the we have to find the area of this path and the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion. Same type of question. First we will find the area of the larger square, that is the square garden. Then we will find the area of where excluding that path. Then if you are subtracting, you will get the area of the path. That is area of the square garden, side, it is a square, isn't it? So area of a square is side into side. What is the side given as 30? So 30 into 30, 900 meter square. This is the area of this whole garden. Now length of the garden excluding the path. So this whole is 30 meter. Now what is the wide? 1 meter is the wide. So here you are subtracting 1 meter. Here also subtracting 1 meter. So what will be the length? 30 minus 1 here, 1 here. That means 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So the length of the garden excluding the path. So without the path, if you measure the length, it will be 28 meter. Now area of the garden excluding the path. Without the path, what will be the area? 28 into 28, that is 784 meter square. Now you got the whole garden area as 900 meter square, and without the path, the area of the garden is 784 meter square. So the area of the path will be subtracting 900 minus 784. What is it? 116 meter square. So this much area we have as path. Now in this area we have to plant the grass. And what is the rate of planting grass? For 1 meter square it is 40 per meter square. So for 1 meter square it is rupees 40. So about 116 meter square into, no, not in the path they are keeping, where they are keeping the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden. That means they are planting the grass here, not in the path but in the rest of the portion. So how much is the area of this portion? This we got the length as 28 and we found this area as 784, isn't it? Area of the garden excluding the path is 784. Now in this portion we are planting the grass. Now what is per meter square? It is rupees 40. So for 784 meter square it is rupees 31,360. The remaining portion, not in the path but in the remaining portion they are keeping the grass. That is why we are multiplying with the 784. Here only they are keeping the grass. In the path they are not keeping. Next question. The given figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find the area of the whole land, the area of the flower bed, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, the circumference of the flower bed. So the given figure represents a rectangular lawn. This is a rectangular lawn and center we have a circular flower bed. Now find the area of the whole land. Now this rectangular lawn is having a length of 10 meter and breadth 5 meter, and the circular flower bed is having a radius of 2 meter. So it is easy to find. So find the area of the whole land. Whole land means if you find the area of this rectangle, that is the area of the whole land. So length of the lawn is 10 meter, breadth of the lawn is 5 meter. So area of the lawn is L into B, that is 10 meter into 5 meter is equal to 50 meters, 50 meter square. So in the area of this rectangle, whole, everything is inside this rectangle. So this whole, the area of the whole land means area of the whole rectangle. Next question. Area of the flower bed, that means only this portion we have to find. It's a circular shape, isn't it? So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So r is given as what? 2. So area of the circular flower bed is equal to pi r square. 22 by 7 into 2 into 2 we will get 88 by 7 meter square, that is 12.57 meter square. So area of the flower bed alone is 12.57 meter square. Next question. The area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, that means area of this lawn without this flower bed. That means we have to find the area of the whole land and area of the flower bed, just subtract it. That is equal to area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed is, area of the lawn is 50 meter square and area of the flower bed is 88 by 7 meter square, or in other words 12.57 meter square. So subtracting 50 meter square minus 88 by 7. Now this is a whole number and this is a fraction. So making it as this also fraction, 7 we are multiplying, 350 minus 88 by 7. 262 by 7 is equal to 37.43 meter square, or directly you can subtract 50 minus 12.57. The same answer you will get 37.43 meter square. So the area of the lawn without this flower bed is 37.43. Next, the circumference of the flower bed. The circumference means the only boundary distance of this flower bed. That also we can find, because the flower bed is a circular flower bed. So its circumference is 2 pi r. So finding out 2 pi r. R is 2 centimeters. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2. Again the same itself, 12.57. So the area and the circumference here same, because the radius is 2 centimeter. Here pi r square means 2 into 2. Again 2 pi r also 2 into r. That is 2 into 2, 4 itself. That is the same answer here. So now we have come to an end of the exercise 11.4. Still some more questions are remaining that I am not working. I am leaving it for you to work it out. Think about these questions and work it out. What you have studied, that you have to apply in these questions. That means direct, some questions you will have direct application, some you have to apply the concept to what you have studied. So winding up today's class, we are completing the chapter perimeter and area. What all things we discussed in this chapter? We first discussed the perimeter and area of rectangle, square. Then we studied the area of triangle and parallelogram. Then we studied the circumference and area of circles, and we solved many problems regarding this concept. So that's all from this chapter, perimeter and area. Work out more problems, and the same problems you work it out more, then only you will get the idea of solving such problems. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. We'll meet with another chapter in another video. Thank you.